Hey guys, what's up? It's Nicole here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a supernatural or any TV show, video game, book, quote, t-shirt, or any other piece of clothing. Or technically you could do this on a canvas and hang it on the wall. Or like a, or like a table. That could be cool. But yeah, you can do this with any kind of clothes, any kind of quotes, any kind of show. Doesn't matter. I just picked Supernatural because personally I love the show and they have some of the best quotes ever. And I think I might make another similar thing with psych quotes. So, but anyway, let's get on into the video. This is the fabric paint I used. I only used black, but you could use any other colors. And these are the two paintbrushes I used. I only used these two, but this is my sweatshirt, which actually has a design on the back, which I painted over with white paint, but you can still kind of see it, but whatever. So you put a piece of cardboard underneath so that the colors don't bleed through, and it's a little easier to paint on. And then just paint all your favorite quotes. As you can see, I did Supernatural down one of the sleeves, and I did names of the characters around the bottom. You can kind of see the design there, but after you put on so many words and quotes, you can't really tell. So just do whatever you want, basically. So comment down below which one of these quotes are your favorite, and if there's any quotes you think I missed that should totally be on the sweatshirt, because I technically still have room and can put more on. I have an entire sleeve and I'm not sure if I want to cover it in quotes or leave it blank, so give me your opinion on that as well. For my fabric paint, I have to let it dry for 72 hours and then hand wash it. But just follow the instructions on your fabric paint or fabric markers and you should have something like this. And ignore all the random spots. I did it on purpose. Well, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to see another Supernatural video from me, I will link that below. I made a Supernatural Hunter kit. It's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty cool. It's in my closet right now because I don't really have space for this stuff, but you know, whatever. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed. If you do, leave a like, because then I will know, hey, Supernatural. That's not true. I already know, hey, Supernatural. Yes. And if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe or don't. I don't care. But I hope you enjoyed, and don't let the door hit you on the way out. See ya. What? Since when have I done that? Whatever.